Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the orange, red, and then green line annotations are coming from. Very nice movement today. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning here, just get rid of these lines. Sure, those levels pertain, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as decluttered as possible. The first big update that comes into play is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 660, one of the newest areas of support, and what I would consider a pretty important level. Why is this level so important? Well, and I'm not saying this will occur, but just to explain why I would definitely consider this. I'm not going to call it a do or die level, but definitely very important is if the price were to come down to that level and then break down through it and continue on down, what would that be doing to the price at that point? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would quite literally be putting the price right back to where it was on Monday. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, right? Whereas on the flip side, maybe something like this happens because nothing can go straight up. But it comes down here, difference being behaves in that manner before starting to work its way back upwards. Well, now all of a sudden in this situation, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there if you envision each of those as stair steps. Well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying quote-unquote progress as $6.60. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, nothing new here to report, assuming you've been watching the past videos. Still all about that overall trend line right there, which, denoted there by that orange line. In fact, what I'll do here is just get this extended out a little bit more so that we can continue to watch it as things play out. But keep a close eye on that from the resistance side of things. All in all, though, very, very nice day today. Not just a question of can the price continue to build upon this momentum. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.